Hi everyone, welcome to our Marine Knowledge channel. This is your Sailor Basha. Today I would like to share some videos about explaining how the oily water separator on board works. I will try to give maximum information about oily water separator, and if you got any comments, any doubts on oily water separator, please post in comment box. I will definitely reply you. We will continue going the video. This is your oily water separator on board container ship, and this is a two-stage oily water separator. The first tank is first stage and the second tank is your second stage oily water separator. So I would like to give you some information on this oily water separator. So first we go from the describing the parts. This is your pneumatic valve which is getting activated by the signal from this probe. This is a probe. If this probe senses any oil, it will give signal to this valve, and the valve opens, the oil will go out, and it will go to the waste oil tank. And once the probe starts sensing the water, it will stop the signal and the valve will close and no more water goes to the bilge tank. And this is your heater. This is to heat any water inside the water or oil inside the oily water separator. And this is your inlet water filling valve. You can see it's a filling cock. So initially, before starting the oily water separator, we use, you can see, blue color valve. It's a freshwater valve, and the red color valve is the filling valve. We open it, fill the tank, fill both the tank with water, and ensure all your tank is filled. And this is your valve, hosing valve. So if you open, you can find water coming out. So if the water is coming out, that means your tank is filled with fresh water, so that you can start your oily water separator without any issue. And this is the panel for oily water separator. This is emergency stop, this is stop, and this is your, if the pump is on, this light will glow. If the oil outlet, if you want to open that valve which I showed earlier, you can open it manually. This is for your heating coil, and this is heating on off. And if blue color light is glowing, it means the system is ready for operation. The white light indicates the power is on, and this is your main switch. And this is your bilge monitor. It will continuously monitor your outlet water. So if the outlet water is containing more than 50 ppm, it will activate the alarm. This alarm will get activated and it will registered in this monitor. And once the alarm comes, it will directly open this valve. Open this valve, signal will go through this way, and open this valve, and it will go back to bilge tank. And if everything is normal, it will go overboard. You can see overboard. From this it will take directly to overboard. And you can see the red color line. This is your sampling cock, and you can see that other line. This is where the sample keeps on monitored by your bilge monitoring system. And you can see the water coming from the bilge pump. I'll show you the pump. This is your bilge pump. It's a single screw positive displacement pump. From here it it takes suction from the bilge tank, and the discharge will be goes to your first stage. This is your inlet. The bilge water goes inlet, and inside this oily water separator first stage, you will be having the sponge filter, where the sponge oil will get caught and only the water will go down. All the oil will get caught in the top layer, and the water will be going down, and the water will come out to this way. You can see this way and enters the second layer. Second stage, it goes inside, and once it is going inside, you can see the outlet coming out through this way. This is the outlet for the second stage valve. You can see the pressure gauge for the tank and two pressure gauges for the tank, and this is the outlet for the second stage, and it goes to this three-way valve. This three-way valve, if the oil ppm is less than 15 ppm, it will direct the water to go overboard, and if it is more than 15 ppm, the valve will open and it will goes to the bilge tank. And you can find the thermometer here. This is for the temperature monitoring, and this is your vent cock for the first stage, and this is your control panel, and this is your model of your oily water separator, and this is your siphon breaker, and this is your drain cock. This is your drain cock, and this drain goes to bilge tank. And one more important thing, when you are at port and if PSC wants to run the oily water separator, and if they want to check the functioning of your three-way valve, all you need to do is the valve you have to keep in for BHD test mode. So this handle will turn to the other side. So in case if your PSC inspector asks for operating the oily water separator, you can change the valve position and start the pump, and if alarm comes, it will show here. If the three-way valve open, water will come, and PSC inspector can see the flow here, so that he will be satisfied with our arrangement, and he will be satisfied with our oily water separator, and there won't be a big problem in facing PSC regarding oily water separator. And some companies kept cameras for monitoring the operation to avoid any malfunctioning happening, and I will show you the overboard valve for oily water separator. And these overboard valves cannot be operated without the permission of chief engineer. See, you can find the wording here, do not operate without chief engineer permission. Yeah, and it is clearly marked oily water separator, overboard valves. So I'll try to open. You can see valves. This is two valves, and both the valves are closed, locked and sealed. So nobody can open without breaking the seal. If the seal is broken, that means someone must have opened with the permission of chief engineer. So always be careful when you are doing any job in oily water separator. Do not try to do any malpractices with oily water separator, because nowadays port state control are very strict, straightforward in finding deficiency related to oily water separator. See, you can see the USCG stickers, and this is all about oily water separator. I believe this information must have given you some knowledge about oily water separator. Thanks for watching this videos, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.
I believe this video must have given you some information about oily water separator. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you guys.